How to fix this device cannot start code 10 error in Windows. So, this device cannot start code 10 error in Windows usually means a driver problem or a hardware issue. And the fastest fix is to update or install the device driver via Device Manager. Now, the first thing you can do is to go ahead and update your device driver. So to do that, click on Win-X on your keyboard and then select Device Manager from here, and that will take you to the device manager section. So in here, go ahead and look for the device with the yellow warning icon. So right click on a device. So for example, the device with the yellow warning icon would be the battery. Simply select batteries and then right click on this and then click on update driver. Choose search automatically for drivers after that and then restart your PC. Another thing you can do is to go ahead and uninstall and reinstall drivers. So still on the device manager, go ahead and right click on that problematic device and then select uninstall device. Restart your PC and Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. Now, if not, download the latest driver from the manufacturer's website. Another thing you can do is to go ahead and run Windows Update. So go ahead and open Settings by clicking on Win I on your keyboard. And then on Settings, head over to Windows Update. And then in here, go ahead and check for new updates for your Windows device. So install all pending updates. Updates often include new drivers and bug fixes. And that is how you can basically fix this device cannot start code 10 error in Windows.